Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to set DuckduckGo as a default browser on an Android device. Well, setting DuckduckGo as your default browser on your Android device can enhance your privacy by ensuring that all your web search and browsing activities are conducted through DuckduckGo, which is known for its strong privacy features. It helps prevent other applications from automatically opening links in less privacy-focused browsers, ensuring that your online activities remain more secure and private. So let's go to the tutorial. Okay, firstly, make sure that you have been installed DuckduckGo application on your device. Okay, so open it. And then here you can click the three dots at the top right corner. And then tap on settings. Well, so now click the first one. And then select browser app. After that, here will appear several browser applications on your device, and you can activate DuckduckGo by tapping the option. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to set DuckduckGo as a default browser on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.